Hey everyone, welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some delicious chocolate chip cookies. On the side I have listed the ingredients to make these perfect chocolate chip cookies. First, go ahead and add the room temperature butter and then sift the brown sugar and the white sugar together to remove any clumps. Make sure that the butter and sugars are mixed until creamy and together. While the mixer is on, go ahead and add the 1 egg and the vanilla extract. Next, we're going to go ahead and add the baking soda and the salt into the flour and make sure it's mixed very well before we add it to the batter. In parts of 3, go ahead and add the dry ingredients to the dough, making sure to keep your mixer on low so the flour doesn't go everywhere. Lastly, fold in your chocolate chips. For this recipe, I use semi-sweet chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. Finally, our dough is ready to be chilled for about 30 minutes. Once your cookie dough is chilled, go ahead and form your dough balls the size of a tablespoon. Bake cookies at 350 for 12 minutes. There you have it, beautiful, delicious golden brown chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like.